Most of the patient who has partial ACL tear low grade, we can heal it without surgery. ACL surgery results. Why our ACL surgery results are very good. So friends, to get a very good ACL surgery result, it's the good surgery that we have to do. It's one thing only. There are so many other things which we follow to ensure that our patient gets the best results and he gets back into the sports within 3 months. So friends, when a patient comes to us, it is very important for us to discuss what is the needs of the patient, what is the profession of the patient, whether it is an elite sports person, a pro kabaddi player, or a national wrestler, or a national swimmer, or a national athlete, or he is just an office going person. We study his MRI in detail, we see the MRI films, we do a detailed physical examination of the patient to find out if there is any other associated injuries with the ACL or not, because this is very important to see, and if there is any other injuries that we can address, and we will treat that injuries as well with the ACL surgery. So we can prevent many patients from undergoing the surgeries if you have a partial ACL tear low grade. If we do the surgery, we ensure that we use the best implant in the world, we use the best method of ACL surgery in the world, that is fiber tape internal brace. So we use the best implant which is available, we use the best technique, we are very precise in doing the surgery. But this is not enough. A proper rehabilitation is very important, and the proper rehabilitation should be monitored, that is more important. So we have developed a system, because most of our patient is from far away. I get patients from all over the India and all over the world, and they get back to their home after 2 or 3 days, or some patients go immediately after the surgery, and they can't come to me every week, so that, and I can't check their exercises personally every week to ensure the best recovery. So we have developed an online system in which we send videos, we do online video consultation with our patients, tell them what exercises they need to do, because exercises after the ACL surgery changes every week. Every week we have to increase the exercises. So we tell them what exercises they need to do, we do a online video consultation with Zoom, with WhatsApp, and then whether they have learned it correctly or not, to ensure that they post their small exercise video in our ACL winner group on Facebook. We check that group every day, and we suggest and we tell our patient if they are doing right, if they have missed some exercises, if they are doing some exercises wrongly, and if everything is fine, we encourage them. So it's a closed community which is for you, which is for my patient, in which the patient posts their exercises and we tell them if they are doing right or wrong. In this way, we ensure that every week or every 15 days, we tell the patient, we send the patient appropriate videos, we do the online consultation, tell them what exercises they need to do, and whether they have learned it correctly or not, we check that when they post their exercises on the ACL winner group on Facebook. So by this, we get the complete recovery of patient. Within 3 months, they are back to game. Our work is not just doing the right operation. Our work starts from the beginning, the patient sends us their MRI, and till they reach up to their dreams. So the patient dreams becomes my dream when the patient send me an MRI from the first day. So friends, if you feel that your MRI says that it has an ACL tear, or if you feel that your ligament is loose or you are feeling instability, you can WhatsApp us your MRI and we will be helpful to guide you through your complete recovery journey.